Hello. Enter my Public Policy and Administration playlist. My name is Dr. Dan Mason. My PhD is in Public Policy and Administration. I discuss why people want a world government in this video. The concept of a world government is controversial and has many proponents and justifications. Some groups and people support a world government for these reasons. 1. Global federalists. Motivation. Global governance is needed to confront global challenges like climate change, nuclear proliferation, and pandemics. They believe a worldwide authority might draft and enforce international laws promoting peace and cooperation. 2. Philosophers and intellectuals. Motivation. Immanuel Kant, in Perpetual Peace, advocated for a world government to avert war and promote universal human rights. They believe only a supranational body can enforce these norms universally. 3. International organizations, UN advocates. Some UN and international organization advocates urge global governance reform. They believe stronger international institutions could better manage global public goods and catastrophes. Motivation. These advocates believe a world government or better global governance is necessary to coordinate global problem-solving, ensure international security, and promote sustainable development. 4. Environmentalists. Motivation. Environmental activists who want a world government say concerted global action is needed to combat climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. They claim that a single government might better police environmental laws than individual nations. 5. Peace advocates. Motivation. A universal government offering conversation, conflict resolution, and international law enforcement may end violence, according to peace advocates. A united authority may reduce war and promote world harmony, they say. 6. Motivation. Economists and business executives may advocate a global government for economic reasons. They believe a unified global market with consistent regulations and policies might lower trade barriers, boost economic efficiency, and boost GDP. A global government could improve financial systems and reduce economic inequality. 7. Motivation. Human rights advocates may favor a world government to enforce universal human rights norms and safeguard individuals from government abuses. They believe a global body could oversee and ensure human rights worldwide. Criticisms and challenges. World governments have supporters but often draw criticism. Many nations and individuals fear losing control over their affairs if they cede sovereignty to a supranational authority. Cultural differences. The world's many cultures, morals, and political systems make it hard to construct a universally accepted ruling body. Implementation. Given the current geopolitical climate, establishing a world government would require unprecedented international collaboration and consensus. Conclusion. Many groups and people believe a world government may better solve global problems than sovereign governments. Their goals include world peace and security, environmental sustainability, and economic efficiency. A world government is complicated and controversial due to many difficulties and skepticism. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope to see you in my comment section. Take care.